We'll start with Krishang.
Krishang.
Krishang, hi Krishang.
Hello and good morning to everyone. Can I
Good
share my
morning. Good
screen?
morning. Yeah, you're clear. We can hear you. How are you?
I'm good, sir.
Good. Excited? Come on, share your
Yes.
screen and we'll start.
Is my screen visible?
Yes, absolutely. So, let's explain the question. Then, because
Yeah.
I just wanted to give context about like here we taught programming through algorithmic approach. This is how I learned actually as a kid. We were made to write an algorithm in plain English language. Then we used to, of course, do flowchart and then the programming in the code in the programming language. Here we didn't do the flowchart part, but we certainly asked them to think on the steps that you would require to build on before writing the code. So the students are going to explain the question, the algorithm, then the code, and then we'll run the code. So yeah, Krishna, go ahead.
Okay, sir. Hello and good morning, everyone. I am Krishang, studying in class 11 in P. Ovalreddy Public School. I live in Hyderabad. Today, I'm going to tell you about the projects I have been assigned to, which are equation evaluation and palindrome check. Let's start with the first one, which is equation evaluation, in which we will know how to code and to solve a math problem. Before coding, I'll explain you the step-by-step process called algorithm, which will make it look easier. Step 1, we'll ask the user to give us an input, which means we can give any number of our choice. Step 2, we'll take the sum as 0. In step 3, we'll print the y values. In step 4, we'll use for loop. It is a way to repeat a block of code a certain number of times or for each item in a list. Step 5, we will calculate the values of y by using the formula given x squared plus 2x plus 5 by x plus 1. In step 6, we'll print the values of y and x. In step 7, we'll add all the y values to create a sum. And in step 8, we'll print the total sum. So now we'll execute the program. I request a parent to give me a number. Let's check the output.
Yes, Krishang. We can go
I,
with
I
number 4.
yeah. So as the number was assigned 4, here it shows the values of x, which is 1, and y, which is 4, after using the formula. Uh, as well, it shows the other values. And if we calculate the sum, we'll get the sum as 19. This is the end of the first program. Now, let's start the second program, which is palindrome check. Before starting, I want to ask if anyone has any idea about it. Okay, so I'll explain. Uh, to those who have no idea about it, I'll explain it to you. Palindrome means the word which is same when inverted, like the word Bob. It is same when we read it from left to right or right to left. Now let me explain you the algorithm. Step 1, we'll ask the user to give us an input. In step 2, we'll use the lowercase function so we do not have a problem while writing it in uppercase. In step 3, we'll replace the remove we'll use the replace function to remove the unnecessary spaces between the words. In step 4, we'll assume the text is palindrome. And in step 5, let's check the characters of the words from start and end to ensure it is a palindrome. And in step 6, we'll print the result. If it's palindrome, it will give the statement as the text is palindrome. Else, it will print as the text is not palindrome. Let's check out the program. Now I request a teacher to give me a word.
You can check a word Jack,
Jack.
Krishang. Hmm.
Yeah. So as I printed Jack, it is not a palindrome because when we read Jack from left to right, it is spelled Jack, and when it's spelled from right to left, it spells as Kcaj. So it is not a palindrome. So I hope I made it. I explained it well and made things crystal clear. Uh, if anyone has a doubt or a feedback regarding this project, can give me
Krishang, there is a text in the chat box. Could you just check whether madam, the word madam is a palindrome or no?
the word madam. Yeah, and it is a palindrome because it is spelled madam from left to right as well as right to left.
Yes. Another word called repaper.
Repaper.
Yeah.
This is also a palindrome because it's spelled the same when it's inverted.
Right. Thank you.
Man, can I stop
Excellent.
here?
Excellent. Yeah, no, wait, Krishna. If someone has any question, we can just wait and take.
Yeah.
Anybody? Sudha ma'am, Krishang's mom. Any question from for Krishang?
In fact, well done, Krishang. You have, we just got to know what is palindrome. Otherwise, and this is a really a cool program, I will say.
Thank you.
But these are very foundational, fundamental programming
Yes,
concept.
yes,
Actually,
Amar,
it's not
I
a
can see
program.
that.
It's actually the logic of thinking
Yeah,
is required
yes,
in this
yes,
one.
yes. I
So
was
the
just
programs
about
are
to ask,
also
whether it also checks, it has some dictionary meaning. But then I realized no, program is just checking, I think, character by character, and it is left to right and right to left same. So I think this is
exactly
really
yeah.
a good and cool thing.
Yes,
This
Q.
this yeah, Minu, you're saying something.
Yes, we can check the number also whether it is a palindrome.
Yeah, try.
Yeah.
Krishang, we'll
One to
check the
one,
number. So
one to one.
when yeah, 1 to 1, put 1 to 1.
Yeah,
Yes,
it shows that the
right.
text.
Okay, so basically it's alphanumeric program, Amar. It
Yes,
passed the test.
yes, yes. It passed the test, Minu. So
So whose problem
test
statement
passed.
was this? Kisang brought the problem or UNP helped
We gave them. We
students?
gave them these. These are like outside the codes that they had done during that, like the 50 codes that I shown you in the
Mhm.
classes that they had done. 50 plus. I think I only listed the important ones. Uh, we are these are the additional ones. So we tried to challenge them with a little bit more and ask them to work on it. And
Right, right.
again, you'll see that there are two type of programs. One is something which they had done before, and one was given as a additional to for them to try. And every
So this is a
student
new
had been
thing.
given a different question, new question. And these are like again, these are core fundamental the things that we had learned actually in algorithm course. And we did
Right,
these things in undergrad. They are not doing it
right.
in school itself.
Oh, Amar,
Uh,
I think my compliments to you and your team. I remember yesterday what happened. We were given a doctor appointment for Medhavi. She was unwell. Two doctor appointment, one day before yesterday and yesterday. So when yesterday we were going, she was like unwell and telling कि पापा मैंने तो homework नहीं किया है जो project था. तो मैं बोला कोई नहीं तुम MacBook ले लो. So she took in the car and in car also on the way and on the way back both. She was so excited and somewhere I have to finish this job and I don't know if she has done or not, but yes, she tried really well on her part. So I think somewhere it must be motivation from your side, your team side. So my special compliments to all of you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. No, I think kids were also very excited. This, as I said, like summer was a
Yeah.
relaxing time for them, and every day
Right.
spending 1.5 hours. All of them, like I would compliment. Actually, what makes us go over and beyond is the students. So if they are like motivated, we also feel like giving. And this first batch itself was excellent. So thank you. Medhavi, I know
I
she was
I
unwell.
should also compliment Amar. Actually, I should also compliment you when you actually suggested me for Python to for Krishang. I was also a little apprehensive whether he can do it because just 10th he completed and I didn't knew whether he can really do coding and all. But seeing today what he is doing and all, I am very happy. I think the same thing I told you also on the phone. Are you sure Python is okay for him? Or you want me to take Excel? I told you, and you said, no, no, you take Python. He'll be doing coding. But really very good. And Padmavati has also done a great work. The other day, actually, Krishang was a little scared because he did not hear one or two videos. But I think later on, with your team help and all, he really picked up. Thank
Thank you,
you.
Sudaman. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you,
Thank
ma'am.
you again to Krishang. I know what we tell, like, no, I always say this to students, even when college students are there, like, only thing they need to come to the course is with a passion to learn. Uh, I know learning anything new is
Yes.
not is easy. It is challenging. We also try to learn something new for the first time. It's not cakewalk. It's always we need some help, guidance. And that assurance is there because you're also involved with us in the college from when we teach students at
Yes.
Bhavan College, you're a faculty there. And you're seen like we always try to inspire students, uh, be very positive in the class. These are the, like type of pedagogy that we have realized more after coming to the US. Like how when we teach, we have been taught here to be very
Ah.
inspiring, positive, and all those things. So that same philosophy we have been trying to do at UNP all these years, and I think it works pretty well. Padmavati was our student, college student, and then she came and joined us as faculty, and now she has been really turning it around for many such kids also. So uh, again, yeah, we'll continue to do with the philosophy as long as students come with that passion to learn. We are all here to support, give them all the support that they will learn. So as I always say, come with the passion to learn. 100%, we are here to make them learn and get through the course.
Students keeping their passion alive is also very important, Amar, which you people have successfully completed.
I know there are too many things, but as I said, the starting in the summer was a very good decision because students were also free, relaxed, and they were learning something new for the first time, so they did their best. So yeah, it all turned out to be very well. Then thank you so much, Christian. Thank you so much.